The window is open. Good. Oh no, okay. Okay, no one heard. Where is the money? Where is it?
What is that sound? Tom? Is that you? Tom! Okay, Emma. Stay calm. Lily, please listen. I think someone is in my house. Emma, do not go in there! Call the police right now! Okay, I will. But first I need to wake up Tom. Tom! Tom, wake up!
What time is it?
Tom. Someone is in the house. Please be quiet.
What? A person? Inside our house?
Yes. I heard a noise from the kitchen. Stay here. I am calling the police now. Hello? Police? My name is Emma. I live at 12 Green Street. I think a thief is in my house. Please come quickly. Okay, I have a plan. Good. Now he cannot run out easily. The police are coming. I just need to wait and watch.
Ow! That really hurt! Hey! Don't scream! Please don't scream!
What are you doing in my house? Put that bag down. Now!
I need money. I have no food. I am very hungry.
This is wrong. You cannot enter my house. This is not okay.
I know. I am sorry. Please.
How could you? The police are coming. Right now. You cannot leave.
I didn't want to hurt anyone. I am so sorry.
Emma! Emma! Open the door! I saw a man go into your house! Are you okay?
Mr. Roy! Yes! I am here! Come in! The door is open!
Good evening. I am Officer Dan. Are you Emma?
Yes. Yes, I am Emma. Please come in. He is in the kitchen.
Okay, stay back. Stay here with your brother. We have him. He is okay. No one is hurt. Good.
Oh, thank you. Thank you so much.
What time did you hear the noise?
It was about 11:30. I was in the living room. I heard something fall in the kitchen.
And what did you do first?
I called my friend Lily. Then I woke up my brother Tom. Then I called you, the police. You did the right thing, Emma.
Yes, I saw him. He came in through the window. I saw it from my house. You did very well tonight, Emma. You stayed calm. You called us. That was very smart.
Thank you. I was very scared. But I didn't know what else to do.
When you are scared, call us. Always call us. That is our job.
Officer, will he come back?
No, son. He will not come back. You are safe now. One last thing. Please close and lock all your windows before you sleep. Every night. Okay?
Yes. I will.
I promise.
Good night, Emma. Good night, everyone. Stay safe.
Good night, Emma. Good night, Tom. You two are very brave.
Good night, Mr. Roy. Thank you for everything.
Take care.
Emma, can I sleep in your room tonight?
Of course, Tom. It's okay.